Hi, I'm Wynn from Spring Digital Insights, and I am sending over this video that Christy promised you she would so you can get more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website to be discovered more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. So first of all, I really like your website. It looks like it was professionally done. I would like to see something more about you guys because that's one of the most visited pages on the website is the About page. And then I'd also like to see these reviews out here in the open because that's another thing that people really like to look at are pictures of your past jobs. Another way that I can tell that you guys had your website professionally done is because you have one of the magical things that Google is looking for, and that is content. And you have 1,478 words of content on your home page. That's great. Because the Google content is king, and the more content you have, the kind of more trust you have with Google. Now we're going to go look at something else. This is Ahrefs. This is a program that I use. It is quite costly, but it's worth it because it tells me a lot about people's websites. So the first thing we're going to look at is that you have 92 referring domains with over 3,000 backlinks. Now, I'm willing to bet, even though I haven't really done the research on it, that a lot of your backlinks are going to be no-follow, as we call it in this industry. And that just means that normally when you have good the referring domains transfer power over to your website because there's a link on their website leading back to yours. And as we can see here, your numbers for Google aren't that high, which kind of surprised me. The UR is your homepage and the DR is your entire website. So if all of these were do follow links, your numbers would be much, much higher. So now we're going to go ahead and talk about keywords. So, and one of the things that we were talking about with the content, in that you need to have location-specific keywords that people are actually looking for. Your area has a lot of really great keywords with a very low difficulty, which means that it would be easy for us to take them and put them on your website and have you ranking for these specific search terms in 3-4 months max. Another one of the great ones is air conditioning repair in Bowie, Maryland. We also have the heating and air in Columbia, Maryland. I mean, there's a lot of great ones. Havac in Columbia, Maryland. And I'm sure with more research, I could find a lot more of these. And we could easily triple your business. Very, very easy. So let's go look at one of your main competitors. This is Burrick Havac. And they have a really nice website. It's very easy to navigate. You can tell that they've definitely had theirs professionally done. So you can definitely see that. Now let's go ahead and go look at their numbers. So as you can see, they don't have that many more than you. They have 165 domains with 752 backlinks. So you can see they have a lot less backlinks, but they're probably better backlinks. You can see that their numbers are higher, especially the DR. And this is what we call the golden ratio. We want these numbers to be as close together as possible because that's really shouting out to me that Google really has a lot of trust in them. And here we are again with the keywords. So I think that if we put a lot of the there, they would really help you rank a lot. Last things that we're going to talk about are citations. Citations are a lot like backlinks. If it doesn't have any power coming from their website to your website, it says citation. Also, a citation is just your name, address, and phone number in directories across the web, like Yelp, Super Yellow Pages. There's also a lot of great general contracting directories to get you into. And that's really going to help you with your Google Map Pack, which is one of the easiest ways to get onto the first page of Google. So you can either take this information that I've given you and do the research and do it yourself, which would be completely fine by us. Or if you want to save yourself some time and some stress, then go ahead and give us a call back or message Christy back, and we will get right on that and get talking to you and see if we're a good fit for each other. I hope you have a great day. We look forward to talking with you.